What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a Ipsy unboxing. I have three. I have two of the Glam Bag Pluses as well as one of the original Glam Bags, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox them with you guys and show you guys all of the stuff that's in here. Guys, let me tell you, I have not really been posting any of these videos because the bags that I've been getting have been really late in the month. Like in December, I got my bag in January. In January, I got it like the last 2 days of January. So by then I was kind of like, well, is it worth it? But luckily I was able to get these bags a little bit earlier. Hopefully I'll be able to do them every month. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys are also getting them later in the month or if you get them on time with your other subscription boxes. These just tend to be the ones that come really last minute. But let's go ahead and get diving into it. First bag we're gonna start with is this little cutie pie. This is the Sealed with a Kiss. This is the February bag, and this one's actually really cute. I actually really enjoy the design that they did with this because it's just like an envelope. So you actually flip it over and open it, and it has a cute little kiss right on the back. I like the detail work that they did in this. The first thing I have is the Clean It Zero. This is their Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm. Pore clarifying. That's a lot of claims for something that's pore, that's supposed to be a balm. I've gotten one that was like a pink one, and I think it was just like a normal balm. I have yet to use it, but I'll definitely give this a shot because I really am interested to see how this works and see like if I see anything. While this is a little bit small, I don't know that I'm gonna get massive results in it, but oh my gosh, it smells incredible. Next up I have is this little cutie. This is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes. Look at how tiny this is. I love the packaging on this. That's bad, right? Like, I'm like, I don't care. Ooh. Oh, it's like balmy too. Why was I expecting it to be super like creamy? But this one's more like whipped. You definitely can't see it, but it definitely has that same feel and consistency as the Alginist one that I rave here on my channel all the time. The Eye Balm Renewal one. Anyways, it has that same consistency, so I'm definitely going to give this a shot tonight, actually. I have this here by About Face, and this is the Matte Fluid Eye Paint. I like the packaging. Look at the packaging on this. It's like rubber. It's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Are you sure this is an eye paint? Because I would totally use this as a liquid lipstick. Ooh, it actually blends out really nicely. I always get so scared about these like eye pigments though, because when I brush them with my brushes, I always feel like they get really streaky. So I might have to like use my finger. This little baby, what is this? This is the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. How cute is this little guy? I wonder if it's gonna be like rose gold. It says rose gold and ivory. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. I was not expecting that. Usually when I see these little duos, there's either one or two, like one eyeshadow that I'm like, oh yeah, I probably wouldn't use it, but these two are beautiful. Oh, that's nice too. I like that. It's like super simple and easy. This is what I was so sad about in my last subscription, was that I wasn't getting any makeup, and I was like, I want makeup. I have one little thing here, which is this little tiny baby. This is by Bite Beauty. This is their Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Strawberry Froze. A little bit more sheer than I expected it to be. It's not as bright too. Like, I actually thought it was going to be a lot brighter because the actual lipstick is super bright, but it's not. It's sheared out, which I do enjoy actually. That's the small bag. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which has a nice like, you know, balance of skincare and makeup. So I love that. All right, I like it. So let's move into the Glam Bag Plus. This is the first one, and I'm just gonna pull out the first thing I see here, which is, ooh, this is the It Cosmetics, you guys. This is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation. These are like one of those brushes that the prices on them are kind of expensive if you don't get them on a sale or like on a deal. But I feel like the prices are almost justified because they last you such a long time. Now, I can't speak a whole lot for like the eye brushes, but their face brushes are good. This is definitely something I'm very excited about. I think this alone is worth the price of the box. So yes, for that. I have this here, which is by Gold Faden MD. And this is their It says Problem Uneven Skin Tone Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer with vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. This is a moisturizer that delivers a brightening glow for all skin types. I like how it says that it's got gooseberry in it, but like gooseberry is the last ingredient on this list. It's just interesting to me. This is the Mael Beauty. This is their Skin Kissed Blush. I got something that I think I did declutter this. So I did get something from this brand, but I decluttered it because we got it in like a box, and it was like a bronzer, and it was like a mosaic, kind of like a mosaic print. It was pretty, but on the skin, like it just accentuated so much of my texture, so I just kind of tossed it. I was like, yeah, I can't use this. And this is actually something that I do think I would use because it is a blush, and typically with blushes, I tend to just swirl my brush into it if it's like a palette of some sort. So this is, I see myself using this, and there's definitely tones in here that I feel like could give me the depth that I want into my blush. So I'll give this a shot. Tokyo Milk. This is actually really fancy packaging. This is Light and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream. It's got oolong tea. Oh, I love, love, love oolong tea. It smells good. It kind of smells, not a lot, but I get it like a faint whiff of cucumber melon. Speaking of cucumber melon, I was at the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, and they had cucumber melon in their 75% off sale thing, and I bought it. It was like $3, but it has been some time since I've used it, and I do use it, but I can't use a lot of it because it's so strong. But man, in high school, that was my jam. And Sweet Pea from Victoria's Secret, is that, yeah, I think that's what it's called. No, Love Spell, sorry. But Sweet Pea, not Sweet Pea, Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. I would douse myself in it. Douse myself. So the last thing I have here is a mascara. This is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara by the brand Item. Oh, it's so little. Look at that. I was expecting like this big fluffy one. This one's tiny. This one looks a lot like the Clinique, the small, like the bottom lash mascara from Clinique. Love that mascara, by the way. But that's what this reminds me of. So I might actually try to use it as that. So that is everything that I got inside my bag. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Pretty good. I will definitely say that I feel this right here is the real winner. This is our last Glam Bag Plus, and again, the bag is really cute. I mean, I'm just not into, oh, sorry, I picked my nose in front of you. Well, my nose is itchy. I didn't pick it, but like, whatever. Anyways, we're family, right? This is like a little drawstring bag. I'm not a fan of these, really. I would have just preferred that they just threw it in the box or like, you know, the bag or something. Like, I don't use the drawstring bags at all. First thing I have here is Hallie, I want to say. It's got 2 coffee beans in it, so I can't tell exactly how you say this, but it is a whipped moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. And this one, I can't tell if it's for your skin or for your face. Oh, apply to entire face and neck. Okay, so it is for your face. All right. Next thing I have is by Beauty Stat. This is a Universal C Skin Refiner, and it's got 20% vitamin C. It's supposed to brighten, retexturize, and firms the skin. Love vitamin C serums. They're amazing. Definitely use it. This is by Naked Cosmetics, special edition 4-piece pigment collection. Whoa! You know what this reminds me of? Oh my gosh. And no, I'm not throwing a shade to Naked Cosmetics at all, but do you guys remember in the mall, the kiosks? I think I talk about this every time I see these, but this is definitely it. The kiosks that used to have these, like they were a smash when they first came out. I had all of them, you guys. Like not all of them, but I had a lot, and I had them filled in my little makeup bag. And this is what reminds me, because they were stackable. And so I had like the glitter ones, I had the colorful ones, I had the neutral, and I had like a black one that was super smoky, but they had some bomb, like icy ones that were amazing for like popping on the lid or inner corner. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. I think you take the top off, and then you stack them. You do that. It's gorgeous. Look at that one. That's Sierra Nevada. Silvery shade right here. These are pretty. Oh, Oh, memories. I don't know why I didn't think these were stackable before, but I'm gonna have to grab, I have other ones because we've gotten these in the past as like singles. I'll definitely have to grab the other ones and stack them. Just, you know, reminisce. But all right, so I have this box, which is by Complex Culture. I do have quite a few of their brushes. It is an angled foundation brush. This one's pretty short and stubby. I don't know how well I would, how well this would blend out for me. I am not somebody that buffs in my foundation, but if you are, you know, a buffer, this would work for you. I wish the bristles were just a little bit longer, so there was a little bit more flexibility to it. Because they make another brush that I do use from their brand that is also a foundation brush, and the bristles again are just a little bit longer, so I feel like it pounces on the skin a little bit more. So next up, ooh, I love this brand. This is by Fasanti, and this is, oh, this isn't what I thought it was, but this is the Fasanti Brighten Up Miracle Mask. Fasanti has like this scrub that is phenomenal, and I've gotten it in different small bags and big bags before, and I use it up all the time. Like I immediately put it in my bathroom because I really love it. I think it's such a good product, but I haven't tried this. This is their Miracle Mask, which is a 5-in-1, and this one's made with charcoal, turmeric, papaya, and shea and cocoa butter. So this is what it looks like. It says that it's supposed to brighten the skin. It's supposed to rebalance and detoxify the skin from impurities and help smooth and hydrate this. Is that all? I think that's everything. That's everything. I got quite a few products. I am very impressed with this box, or boxes, because I got quite a bit of variation with like half makeup, half skincare. Like it wasn't overly balanced, like it wasn't heavy on any of them. I felt like it was such a good balance, and there's quite a few makeup products for me to try out that I could definitely see myself playing around with, and a lot of really great skincare. So I actually feel like Ipsy did a really great job this time. Like I'm very, very impressed this month with your boxes. I'm very excited about this, by the way. So that is everything. You guys let me know down below if you guys still have Ipsy and what you guys get from Ipsy, or what you guys got for this month, or if your box is still in transit. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you guys didn't know, I did post some videos that I'll link right here, so don't click out just yet. Make sure to check out one of these videos, and before you leave, if you haven't subscribed yet, take the time, hit that red box down below and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.